One of my favourite ways to create a junk journal is to imagine it belongs to someone else, a character with their own story. For my Witch's grimoire kit, I pictured a nomadic witch wandering from town to town, collecting spells and secrets in her journal. That storytelling approach is so inspiring to me, which is why this month I'm weaving a narrative into my planner. A witchy tarot reader living deep in a dark cottagecore forest. Hello and welcome, I'm Elaine, and today we're creating an April spread in my Dark Cottagecore planner using pieces from my Dark Cottagecore planner kit and the Magical Tarot kits, both available in my Etsy shop. If you love moody aesthetics, vintage ephemera and planners that feel like little worlds, you're in the right place. The Dark Cottagecore kit has everything: calendars, to-do lists, bullet journal pages, and ephemera like tags and envelopes. For April, I'm using the cover page, 2 calendars, the important dates page, and weekly layouts. But I'm also telling a story. I imagine my unnamed tarot reader in her rustic cabin, scribbling notes by the firelight. Maybe this planner tracks her readings, or maybe it's for her herb garden. Having a character in mind banishes the blank page fear and turns planning into storytelling. I used gesso and acrylic inks with packing foam to roughen up and give texture to these pages. It's perfect for that nature creeping in vibe. Dark Cottagecore thrives on that untamed, earthy texture. To be honest, I hate my spreads at first. They feel messy, ugly, nothing like the vision I had in my head. But if I push through, that critical voice fades and I fall in love with the process. By the end, I'm always happy, even if it's not perfect. That's the joy of junk journaling. It's supposed to feel alive and imperfect, just like our witch's forest. So that's April, a month in the life of a mystic cottagecore hermit. I hope this inspires you to play with stories in your own journals. Let me know in the comments, what character would your planner belong to? Thanks for creating with me today. Until next time, happy planning, and don't forget to embrace the mess.